Bitcoin bears are going to hate what I'm about to say. Bitcoin just flashed something hot off the press for the first time in 11 years, and it's going to make all the Bitcoin bears cry. My name is Steve. Hit that subscribe button. We're going to be jumping into this chart, but go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. We're about to pull the plug on the 5-day masterclass. If you see this page, you better sign up quick. There's not many seats left. They are almost gone. This is literally going to be your last chance. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. Get my plan for this bear market and the next bull, including all of the coins I'm looking at, how to find the next 1000x coin, my step-by-step plan so you can make a lot more money. cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you're somebody who's in need, a single mom, a single dad, a vet, somebody disabled from a less fortunate country in a tough financial situation, send me an email right now, quickly, so I can help you. Always trying to lend a helping hand. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. info@cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside. I'm talking to you. Pause this video, go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. I hope you see this page. I hope we didn't pull the plug already, but go check it out. Now, the heat worm, the legendary heat worm. This is our custom indicator, and we have colors, right? We talked about this blue color, right? We saw this blue color back here in 2011, and then we saw it again back here in 2012. This shade of blue represented the best buying opportunity in Bitcoin. You can see the bottom here, and you can see this period here. This indicator was like screaming, hey, these are the times to buy Bitcoin. And fast forward to the next bear market, we had this blue period all through the bottom of the bear market saying, hey, it is time to buy. Make no mistake, wake up. The lighter shades of blue are still pretty good times to buy, right? Through this whole lighter shade of blue and through this whole lighter shade of blue, still really good times to buy. And as we get into the hotter colors, like the yellows and the greens, these are times to start using some caution, right? And when we get into the reds and the yellows, which I don't anticipate we'll ever see these again until we recode this indicator, because we have a lot of diminishing returns by a factor of 5.3 according to our 5.3 theory. But again, when you get to the hotter colors, it's time to take profits. Now, what you see playing out in front of your eyes is something we haven't seen in 11 years. We literally haven't flashed a signal as strong as this in 11 years. The bears are going to watch this video crying. They're going to have not tears of joy. They are going to be crying because Bitcoin is just flashing the best signal in 11 years, right? Now, when we go to the bear market of 2018, you probably remember it very, very well. We had this blue signal really not for a long period of time, a really short period of time. But again, we covered the best buying opportunities. It wasn't a long period of time like this. We did have these lighter shades of blue, but as I told you time and time again, we were lucky enough to call the bottom of this 2018 crash. But again, it was short-lived. And when we started exploding, we called for a legendary rally. If you follow our channel, you can still watch this video today. There was a lot of hate in the video. Steve, there's no way we're going on a legendary rally. I just talk about the facts. Hate it or love it, I talk about the facts. That's why people respect it. And we went on what I would consider a legendary rally, and then we warned the hell out of everybody. We called the top of the gravestone doji, but this was not sustainable. And you can see, based on the colors, it's not sustainable. This was an A, B, C correction, and we didn't build a base. We didn't build market structure, so it was very short-lived, right? That's why our color spectrum didn't give us really strong periods to buy, because there literally wasn't strong periods to buy. It was very short-lived. What I like to see so far is we've had some blue in here, right? We've had a little bit of a typical bear market. We are building market structure, so I do love to see that. But make no mistake about it. Do you see what I'm seeing right over here? Do you see that? Do you know what that means? We literally haven't seen this in 11 years, right? So we talked about the shades of blue, right? We talked about this This is a really, really good time to buy. This is still a pretty good time, less good than this. This is still a pretty good time, less good than this. You know, we even got this one mixed in here. In these lighter shades, it gets less and less of a good time to buy. And then you start getting into time to take profits. But this blue right here, we haven't seen it literally since Bitcoin was back here hanging out around 4 cents. Literally. So this is the best buying opportunity since Bitcoin was at 4 cents. Based on the data that's in front of us, based on everything that's in the facts and the charts for the past 12 years, using this indicator, we haven't had this strong of a buy signal since here. Now there's a caveat. Now I'll talk about the caveat. Because Bitcoin has diminishing returns by a factor of 5.3, according to our 5.3 theory, we are not going to see these hot colors ever again. Because we're not seeing these hot colors ever again, case in point, our recent tops here, we are going to see in the future more of these dark blues, unless we recode this indicator. Right? This indicator has been coded for a couple years now. So people may say, hey, Steve, I think you just put this dark blue here so you can make a video calling it the first in 11 years. No, this indicator was coded a couple years ago and we're at dark blue now. Here's the problem. When Bitcoin is not reaching as high in prices, we're not going to be getting these hot colors. And because we're not getting so high in the hot colors, when we typically go down, we're going to be in these darker colors. So these darker colors are pretty damn good, right? But we're going to see more of them in the next cycle, right? But this is the best buying opportunity, literally in 11 years. The facts are right in front of us. It's time to wake up to the bears. Even if Bitcoin goes down in price, this is still undeniably acting exactly like every bear market bottom we've ever had. The bears can say this time is different, but that's all they can stand on. What they cannot deny, we can debate whether Bitcoin will go up or down. That's debatable because Bitcoin does whatever the hell it wants. What we cannot deny is Bitcoin is acting exactly like every single market bottom we've ever had in history. That's a fact. You can look at all of my charts. 10, 15, 25 charts are saying the same thing. Bitcoin is on schedule, acting exactly like it did every single bear market bottom. I didn't say bear market, I said bear market bottom. That we cannot deny. The facts are the facts. We can debate whether Bitcoin will go down further because nobody on the planet Earth knows, but we cannot deny the facts. The facts are the facts. So here we go with the dark blue. Time to buckle up. Hit that subscribe button. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. If you see this page, you better sign up quick. I'm going to help you earn a lot more money in this next bull run, and that's exactly what you need, and you know it. Go to cryptocrewuniversity.com. I'll see you on the inside.